Activating your Western identity. Once you have your student number and your PIN number, they can be used on this page to begin the process of activating your Western account. Enter your Western student number and access code in the fields, and then click Submit. You will be shown the UWO ITS Acceptable Use Agreement. This is a policy which sets out how you may use some of Western's resources. Read it carefully and click the Accept button at the bottom of the page to signify your acceptance of these terms. This page contains your new Western ID and a one-time password that can only be used on the next page. This password will only be displayed for 60 seconds. Make note of the password that's provided on the screen because you will need it for the next page. One way to do this accurately is to copy this information into a text editor such as Microsoft Notepad. When you're ready, click Login to proceed to the next page. The next page will have your user ID already showing on the screen, and you will need to provide the one-time password you just received from the previous screen. Enter the password exactly as it appeared on the previous page and then click Login. If you should receive a message informing you that you have been locked out because of too many failed attempts, please wait 1 hour and try it again. If you continue to have trouble with this step, please contact the ITS Help Desk at 519-661-3800 between 8:30 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Once you have successfully entered your temporary one-time use password, you will see a notification that it has expired. This is a normal message and indicates that you must now change your password to something new and different. The password you received on the previous page is a valid password according to the rules set in the password policy, which is linked to from this page. If you would like to read this policy, click this link. It is recommended that you create your own password that fit these criteria. Enter a new password of your choice in the New Password field and the Confirm New Password field, and then select Change Password. At this point, your password has been set successfully to a new and different password. The next pages will ask you to enter your answers for a minimum of 3 challenge response questions, which you will be asked to respond to in the future if you should happen to forget your password. The answers that you provide must align with a Western challenge response policy, which is linked to from this page. After you have entered at least 3 answers, which are at least 6 characters each, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. You have now successfully created your Western identity, and it will be active within the hour. Log out of the Western Identity Manager using the Log Out button, and you can now close this window.